Hi guys, today is a very nice day. I decided to cut the grass and show you some tips how to actually maintain your grass mower. So if you got a petrol engine version of grass mower, that's definitely right for you. Stay tuned, let's get started. Okay guys, we've got this 4-stroke engine, petrol engine in front of us. Alright, and this is the spark plug here. Over here is the filter, and we're going to look in those elements closely. Stay tuned, let's get started. Alright guys, first thing we should look is the level of your petrol. Let's turn this cap on the left. Okay. So I can see there's quite a bit. We can put some more just in case we want to. We don't want to stop just in the middle of your cutting. Okay. Right. Let's put that back. Next we look into the filter itself. This is this part. Just take the clip out. You see the filter coming out here. There's an excess of oil, so try to get rid of that, or any derbies you see. Just gently push that fan. The same here. Okay. Anything coming here as well, just try to get rid of it, the grass or any elements which can get into engine stream. What should come is just only air. Oh, we got a friend, it's my cat. Okay, just put that back, you can see the click, that's fine. Right, next step is to look at the plug itself. Right, it's coming here. Now gently just push it back. Okay, to the turn, you can see the plug coming out here. Then use the key which you have for that. Turn it to the right and gently remove it and try to clean it. So any dirt, anything which could actually cause don't spark walk, you should remove. So definitely that will give the problem. So okay, just put it back, use your key, so tighten up. Brilliant. Put the cover back. Right, one thing is good to have that, you can remove that plug when you got kids around, so actually by accident nobody will start your grass mower. Okay, right, let's give it a go. Should start with first go. Hope you found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos coming. See you next time.